How many left?
No. No.
There's no more fingers standing up tall. That means everybody's here. Hello, Reggie. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
No, everybody needs to sit up ready to learn because I'm going to show you how to play a game called the Frog Hunt, and it's going to help us learn our numbers. Who can show me that many fingers?
One.
You mustn't say it, you must think it in your head. And when I can see somebody who's showing me the right amount of fingers and isn't shouting out, I'll choose them to come and press the button. Mustafa, how many fingers are you showing me?
One.
Does that mean that there's one frog? Why don't you come and show me where number 1 is? See if Mustafa can get it right.
1. Fantastic.
Well
There
done,
is
Mustafa.
Frog.
Oh, he didn't catch him. Phew, the frog got away. Oh, now stop. Think in your head. You mustn't shout out. Remember, we are thinking in our heads. When you've counted them, you show me the right amount of fingers. Habib's got the right number of fingers. Who else has shown me the right number of fingers?
I do.
Katie is, Asia is. Hang on, Katie.
Alfie.
Alfie is. Count them for me, Alfie.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Everybody count your fingers. Ready?
1,
2, 3, 4. Alfie, come up and count the frogs for me, please.
2, 3, 4.
4 frogs. Can you find the number